Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'll be reciting a poem on nature's connection. A little bit to be identical, a little bit to differ, makes the world a place to reflect on. Some things are so different, yet they are the same. It may be a mystery, but it can't be lame. The lungs and the tree have a lot in common, an important relationship, and a lot of differences. The former an organ, with arms called bronchi, the latter a plant, with arms called branches. The lungs and tree perform a healthy give and take. One gives off carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. The other gives off oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide. The bronchi and branches are very similar. They look the same, work the same, and almost share a name. The former in lungs is like the latter on the trees. They spread life-depending nutrients to the rest of the body. A constant relationship in which one creation can't exist without the other. We humans can't live without things we don't know exist. Some underwater or ground, and some right beside us. Every creature is a blessing, because Allah created them for a reason. If you like the video, please like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.